everyone, I'm Mealtime Mentor Jenny.
I'm Casey.
And today we are talking about one of my favorite snack foods.
Yes.
And yours too?
I'm so excited, yes.
Potato chips.
Chips!
So we have 12
flavors.
Yeah.
I think we're up for it though.
I think so. It's a big task, but someone has to do it. So
Well, fine.
we volunteered.
Yes.
All right, so first up from Utz, we have these Wavy, hell of a good French onion potato chips.
Okay.
So,
Let's be the judge of that.
yeah. Let's see how good are they.
I give this a chip.
I give it a chip as well.
Next up we have a red hot potato chip, which,
I'm excited for.
yes, we both like spicy, so we'll see. I would say chip again.
I think chip is fair. It's like a decent flavor, but with
Yeah.
something called red hot, I almost expected it to be a little spicier.
Sure.
But I do have a pretty high.
You have a
heat
very
tolerance,
high,
so-
yeah.
Okay, next up we have the classic sour cream and onion and ripples. So,
Ripples, yes. So they're like a little bit like finer,
Yeah.
kind of, than like a wavy. It's cute.
That's right. Yeah. This is like a hard rating for me because I
Yeah.
like the texture of it. I would give the texture a chip, and I'd give the flavor a chip.
A chip. I agree. Okay, now we have a honey barbecue potato chip, which is interesting because I've never seen like honey with the
No.
barbecue.
It's good.
It is. I'm gonna give this a chip.
I'm gonna give it a chip as well. I think if this was in like a wavy, it would be a chip tray.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm really hesitant to try these because
Yeah.
of the name, but they are a crab chip. So not really sure what it's gonna taste like.
Right.
Do you like crab?
It's fine. The thing is, I feel like this isn't gonna taste like crab. It's gonna taste like crab seasoning.
It does say that it's with Chesapeake Bay crab seasoning.
Oh,
so.
well, there we go.
Okay.
I don't dislike it. I thought I would dislike this.
Same.
But yeah, I bet if you really like crab, you would like this. For me, it's just a chip.
It's just a chip for me too. Maybe a chip.
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5.
Yeah, I agree. I'm so excited for this one. It is fried dill pickle ripples, which is my favorite.
Yes, but
usually.
fried. Have you ever had
This is true.
fried before?
Yeah. No, I haven't. I wonder what makes that different.
Yeah.
To me, what separates a dill pickle chip from a salt and vinegar is the dill.
The dill.
And you can really taste
This is
that.
a good dill flavor, yeah.
This is a
These
chip
are really
for
good.
it. Wait, chip tray for me.
A definite chip
Ooh,
tray.
I'm gonna keep going back for more.
All right, so now we're moving on to the Zapp's potato chips, and these are Kettle chips.
Mesquite BBQ,
Mesquite barbecue, okay.
a classic
See.
flavor.
Yeah. I feel like I don't get like the sweetness that you normally get from a barbecue chip, but it's more smoky, like you said.
Agreed. But I like the Kettle.
Nice and crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
So, what would you rate this?
I would give this a chip.
I think I would give it a chip because I'm
Okay.
looking for more of that like typical barbecue flavor.
Sure.
In addition to that smokiness, I think would be really nice. But
Our next chip is a Kettle style again, and these are salt and vinegar. Jenny's
So
favorite.
excited.
Ooh. They're not too salty though, which is, and I like that it's not too salty because that can be overwhelming sometimes.
the one I just ate was more vinegary.
Was it? Okay. So maybe have to dig around a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm giving these a chip.
I'll give them a chip.
Okay.
Just because I love salt and vinegar.
Yeah.
All right, next up we have Kettle style hotter and hot jalapeno.
It tastes like jalapeno. It smells like jalapeno. It's just not as spicy as a jalapeno.
Okay, so based on the name, in my opinion, being kind of misleading, I'm gonna give these a chip.
I agree. You know, especially from the smell too, I expected.
Yeah.
A little bit more. Our next chip is Kettle style again. These are spicy Cajun crawtater.
I don't know what a crawtater
Me
is.
either. I wonder if it's like a crawfish, but it's a
Potato?
potato chip. Yeah.
I'm not sure what a crawtater is supposed to taste like, so I
Yeah.
don't know if this is.
We don't
like
really have a point of comparison.
I think they're tasty.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't hate them. They're yeah, I've never had anything like them before.
Mm-mm.
But I give these a chip because they're different.
Yeah, I'd give them a chip too.
And I think they're not trying to be anything they're not.
All right, next up we have these Cajun Dill Gator Tater Kettle style chips.
That was a mouthful. Interesting because I've never had a chip that tastes like dill but isn't sour.
They're really interesting.
Mm-hmm. These are a chip tray for me.
Wow.
I like them a lot. Mm-hmm. Up
Nice.
there with the other dill pickle.
I think I'm gonna give these a chip.
All right, these are the Kettle style again. These are Voodoo chips.
Whatever that means.
That I love that there's no precedent. Just they're
Voodoo.
Voodoo chips.
All right.
I have no idea what that tastes
No.
like, but I like it.
They're really good.
Yeah. That's what Voodoo is, I guess. These are, for me, a chip.
I'm gonna give them a chip tray.
Yay!
I appreciate your enthusiasm.
I don't know where it came from. Just the Voodoo magic.
Yeah, just because they're really interesting.
Mm-hmm. They don't taste like anything. Like, I can't even
Yeah.
compare them to anything.
Tons of flavor.
Yeah.
Not really sure what it tastes like.
Yeah. Super helpful.
They're really tasty.
They are.
We ate so many chips.
It did not feel like that many, though, right?
Oh,
Okay,
my
physically
stomach
I feel
kinda
like it
hurts.
does, but mentally I'm ready for more.
And if you had to eat more, you've got your favorite right there.
Yes, which is the fried dill pickle ripples. I love the ripple texture. It's like a thick, wavier situation, and I love the dill pickle flavor.
It was a very good dill pickle execution.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about you?
I have to go with these Zapps, the Kettle style Voodoo.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious. I still have no idea what Voodoo means, but
Yeah. They were something.
yeah, it's a winner in my book.
Yes. Well, thanks for joining us, and let us know what your favorites are.